from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Mercedes C-Class here on a 2011 plate. As you can see right there, it says right hand tail lamp, brake lamp's not working. Now if you look on the back, seems like everything is working on the back. So these are the position lamps, okay? Now you've got the stop lamp, you've got the bulb in there, bulb in here, but if you look right through there, that bulb there is not working. And then you've got this one here, you can see both are working on the back here, okay? And then you got a position lamp. To replace it, it is a simple procedure. Just gonna open the boot. You let go of the brakes, switch the lights off. Thank you. Right, what we need to do is we need to remove this top one here. So you push this in and then push this in as well and then pull it at the same time. Just be careful with it when you're pulling this. So it's that bulb there we're replacing. So if I show you, you can see it's blown. So what we're going to do, we're going to get a bulb for this. You can get a better view of the bulb now there. You can see the filament on the inside is broken. So what you need is, you need a 382 bulb, which is a single filament bulb. Now you can find that in the descriptions as well, the link for it. And if you did find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it back on. And then there's a special thanks button as well. Don't forget to click on that. So now that I've replaced it, so before we put everything back together, I'm just going to show you. Can you just switch the ignition on? Okay, now you can see the brake lights, both of them are working. Yeah, switch off, thank you. So what we're going to do now is put everything back together. And then we're going to double check it again. Lovely. Right, okay, can you just do the same thing again, please? Press the brakes. Now you can see in the, let go. Press it again. That's it, lovely. That one's pretty good as well. Is the warning sign gone? Now you can see right there now, the warning's gone as well. That's all you had to do on this particular model. It is a Mercedes C-Class on a 2011 plate. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try to help you know as much as we can. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.